and welcome to Imanni Music Online Lessons, where we talk about making music a mental health resource, asset, and solution in your life. Hey there, my name's Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and I'm so glad that you are joining me today. So, before we get started, let's shake our bodies out. Let's loosen up a little bit. Let's stretch out a wee bit. Make sure that you're positioning your body in a nice, beautiful L shape against your chair. And also make sure that your arms are also in an L shape as well. Last but not least, make sure that your hands are nice and loose and ready to play some piano. Make sure that they are draping down, letting gravity pull them down, and they are super duper relaxed. If there's any tension points, look for that tension and try to figure out why the tension is happening. Definitely don't force yourself to play anything if you're feeling uncomfortable or if you're feeling any pain. Stop, take a moment, and look at your body. Figure out what's going on. Let's take a deep breath in and let it out. Awesome. Our bodies are ready to play some music. Now, let's get our minds ready too with this mental health quote. This is from Lemony Snicket. Just because you don't understand it doesn't mean it isn't so. Sometimes when we're learning things for the first time, it may seem very confusing. It may seem that there is no answer, and it may seem that the answer is beyond our understanding. That's okay. That happens all the time. Just give it a little bit of patience, and eventually you will find the solution. Let's jump into today's music lesson. There are different types of intervals also with music. This, in particular, is a major third. You can tell that it's major based off of the scale that the root is located on. When it comes to chords, there are three parts. This is the root of the chord, this is the median of the chord, and this is the dominant of the chord. We'll talk in more details about the names of these later, but right now, all you need to know is that this right here is the root of the chord. The root defines the quality of the interval. So, if we're in C, for example, and we have a C major scale like the following, then we can see that any note that's being played inside the scale is going to either be major or perfect. There are some notes that are perfect. They're even more major than major, you may even say. So, for example, in this scale, a distance of a fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, creates a perfect fourth. Also, if we have a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is a perfect fifth. For all the other intervals, they are major, as they are from the C major scale. So, in this case, you can see that a C to the E is a major third.